I saw this other video on TikTok, but it's just that I didn't save it, and I don't know why I didn't save it. This South African woman that's based in the United States, uyatsho into yobana most of South African people are being targeted simply because of their nationality. And ndicaba ipost yakhe ke ifike nakwabanye ama-South Africans who are in other countries like abo-Germany, Russia and Mozambique. You know, abanye bayatsho into yobana they're even scared to say ubana ngama-South Africans because kuve kuqala ingxabano. And I think yonke le nto lena isusela with South Africans chasing illegal immigrants. You know, I don't know why can't people get the fact that the people abangafunekiyo are the ones that are illegal. It's as if ngoku sivesike sasukela nje abantu bezihlelele bengenzanga nix behleli kakuhle in the country. Hi guys.